Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can claim and withdraw your Dogs coin into your Bitget account. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to open your Telegram and log into your Dogs bot. So guys, now after that, you're going to get to this point. Then after that, what you have to do next is to tap on where you can see deposits to exchanges. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's waiting there, balance actions. So guys, now you can see there are three options right here. The one you have to go for is the first option, which is exchanges, because you're trying to claim and withdraw your dog coin into your Bitget exchange account. So guys, now let me tap on exchanges, the first option. Then after that, what you have to do now is to tap on continue. You can see it down there. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step, deposit dogs. So guys, now what you have to do now is to choose the third option, which is Bitget, since this video tutorial is how to claim your Dogs coin into your Bitget account. So guys, now let me tap on Bitget right away. You can see there the third option. Then after that, you tap on send here. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written here. Do you have a Bitget account? So guys, in case you don't have a Bitget account, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see no, let's create it. Once you tap on it, then you'll be able to create your Bitget account. But in case you have, like I do, what I have to do now is to tap on where you can see yes, I have it. So guys, let me tap on yes, I have it down there. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there. Bitget deposit. Add your deposit address UID to receive your Dogs coin. So guys, now you can see on Bitget, all you have to do is just to input your Bitget UID and also your Dogs deposit address. You don't need any memo, unlike other exchanges like Bybit and OKX. But on Bitget, all you need is your Bitget UID and your Dogs deposit address. So guys, now what you have to do now is to get your Bitget UID and your Dogs deposit address. In case you don't know how to do that, you don't need to bother about that. I've already made videos on that, on how you can actually get your Bitget UID and your Dogs deposit address from your Bitget account. What you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video. You're going to see links there. Tap on the links, they'll be able to watch the video that will teach you how you can actually get your Bitget UID and also how you can actually get your Dog deposit address on your Bitget account. So guys, I've made videos on that, specifically on that, so that it's going to be easy for you guys. I don't want this video to be too long, that's why I've made dedicated videos on how you can actually get your Bitget UID and your Dog deposit address. So guys, just go watch the video. So guys, now let me go ahead now to tap on the first option, which is Bitget UID. Let me tap on it. Then let me paste it right away. Let me paste it real quick. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my Bitget UID. So let me go ahead now to paste my Dog deposit address, which I copied from my Bitget account. Let me tap on it and let me paste it right away. So guys, now you can see I've pasted it. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my Bitget UID and also I've pasted my Dogs deposit address. So what I have to do next is to tap on where you can see send. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there. Confirm withdrawal of 22,271 Dogs coin. So guys, what you have to do now is to go through your details. You can see my Bitget UID. What you have to do is to make sure it's correct, and also your deposit address, your Dogs deposit address, make sure it's also correct. Then finally, make sure you've actually carried out your KYC on your Bitget account. Make sure you verified your Bitget account. Make sure you've done your identity verification on your Bitget account before you actually use your Bitget account to actually withdraw or claim this your Dogs coin. So guys, make sure of that. So guys, I've actually verified my Bitget account. So what I will do now is to tap on where you can see I confirm. But in case you've not verified your Bitget account, what you have to do is to choose another option. Make sure you choose another option. So guys, let me tap on I confirm right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, can see what's written here. Deposit is in progress. Now I'll be ready for the listing on August 20th. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to claim my Dogs coin into my Bitget account. So let me tap on Wolves. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see I'm back to the home page of my Telegram Dogs account. You can see what's written there now. 22,271 Dogs withdrawing. So guys, what I have to do now is to wait for the listing date. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can use your Bitget account to actually withdraw and claim your Dogs coin on this Dogs mining app. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.